So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we do have here Xiaomi Redmi S2. The problem of this phone is its button, since it's not turning on, as you can see. But if you plug it to the charger, it will light up here, as you can see. So here we do have a brand new switch, volume and power switch flex. So we'll just install this one, just unplug it and eject the SIM card tray. There you go. Then we remove the back cover case. We use a theme to open this one. There you go. So this is it. Slowly. There you go. After that, we'll just need to open this up. We need a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, this one. So we just need to unscrew this. So after putting up the screw, just remove this case. Oh, see, there's another one remaining. There you go. After that, pull this motherboard casing, and then there you go. This is the port for this flex. Just open it up, and then install this one to the cell phone. I think there's an adhesive already, this one. Yes, it's an adhesive tape. So we'll just there, exactly. And then install this one here. Oh, it goes up. Just install this one first, and then you go to here, this one. So let's try to turn it up on. So it turns on. All we just need to do is to make this stick to the frame of this phone. I think it already sticked up, so just need to put back the motherboard casing. And then put the screws back.
Okay. Okay. Abot. May baray din. Yapon. Ding dong.
See, so it's already done. So I'm done with putting back the screws. I'll just put this fingerprint up again. So I'll just put this one back. Hmm. Ikaw. So, hindi, nakalubat nimo. Na auto shutdown siguro. So, there you go. It's done. See? The volume is working again. Thanks for watching.